sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew were all those years I spent with you. Now I would give everything I own, give up my life, my home. I would give everything just to have you back again, just to talk to you once again. You taught me how to love from the heart and what it's of. And though you never said too much, yet you brought comfort with your every touch. Now no one else will ever know the part of me that won't let go. And now I would give everything, give up my home, I would give it, I would give everything just to have you back again, just to talk to you once again. Is there someone you know who's loving you so, and you're taking it all for granted? You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and they don't hear the words you say. Hear the words you say. I give up my life, my heart, my home. Yes, I would give everything I own just to have you back again. I just wanna talk to you once again.